About ready to run a BU2 joint configuration from D11 bin test, using the 6010s for the root and the 7018s for the fills and caps. I'm running it off my own little machine. So we'll see how this goes. I got my root in. Pretty good bead. I got to work on my tie-in right there a little bit. It's not too bad of a bead. It's not past 1/8" on pipe reinforcement. But I think I'm good to go. Now I'm going to start with the 7018. Alright, I'm about ready to do one more fill pass, and I should be about 1/16 below the base metal, or at least flush. I have no suck back in my root, so that's still there. Still looking good. I'm running 90 on my machine. Woohoo! So much fun! Yay!